Hi guys, this is me Ritheesh, and today we're going to do experiment. And the first experiment is putting the snow on the oven and boiling it. Yeah. And the second experiment is to blend the snow. And we're going to make the snow on fire. We're going to go to the home and we're going to do the experiments. This is called ice cream. It's a snow, and we're gonna eat it. It is so cold. No one test this out. But this is snow ice cream. So let's go back home. We're going to burn the snow, and I am already nervous that we're going to start it. So we're going to burn it. The result is nothing. It's just black snow. It was just black snow. Like, look at the result. Wait, it's actually melting. Well, that's the result. We never need that stick. It's halfway done burning itself. So next experiment. So we have this much snow and we're going to put it in, basically. So, and it's finished. So we're just going to do that and this. Now you can see the blender much better and it's fully filled. So let's put that on again. There we go. So we're going to do it a little bit more longer. So nothing happened. There we go. The next experiment is putting the snow in the oven and checking on what happens. It's just a casual thing. Nothing is going to happen bad. This, there, open and keep you in here and 0, 0. Right? Yeah. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh. It is. Yeah, now it's water. Now it's clear water. It's just clear water with one piece of snow in it. Should we drink it? Probably not. We shouldn't drink it. Let me just touch it. For 1 minute, it's too cold, but it's melted. And if you like this experiment, like and subscribe. But definitely do not drink this or try out any of the experiments that I did. But you could try that with your parents near you, basically. So like and subscribe. Bye. See you in the next video. Bye.